Have you ever looked at someone with a high-paying job, a fancy car, and a huge house and thought, wow, they must be so wealthy? Well, what if I told you that in many cases it's just an illusion? Today, we're diving deep into the illusion of wealth, exploring why a high income doesn't automatically make you rich, and how you can escape the traps that keep so many people from achieving true financial freedom. So, what's the difference between being rich and being wealthy? It's a crucial distinction. Being rich is often about income. It's the big paycheck, the ability to spend a lot of money, but being wealthy is about your net worth. It's what you own minus what you owe. You can have $1 million income and still be broke if your expenses are $1,001. Wealth is about having assets that work for you, investments, businesses, real estate that generate income, giving you freedom and security. A high income is a great tool, but it's just the starting point, not the destination. One of the biggest wealth killers is something called lifestyle creep, or lifestyle inflation. It's a sneaky little habit. You get a raise or a bonus, and you think, I deserve a little upgrade. So you get a nicer car, a bigger apartment, you start eating at fancier restaurants. Before you know it, your expenses have risen to meet your new income. That $5,000 raise that could have been invested is now just gone, eaten up by your new, more expensive lifestyle. You're working harder and earning more, but you're not actually getting any further ahead financially. You're just running faster on the same hamster wheel. Let's look at a classic example. Meet Alex and Ben. Alex is a doctor earning $200,000 a year. Sounds amazing, right? But Alex has a massive mortgage on a luxury home, 2 expensive car leases, and sends the kids to a pricey private school. After taxes and all those high-end expenses, Alex is barely saving anything. Now meet Ben. Ben is a teacher earning $60,000 a year. But Ben lives in a modest home, drives a reliable used car, and is a disciplined saver. Ben automatically invests 20% of every paycheck. Over 10 years, who do you think is wealthier? Despite the huge income gap, Ben's net worth is growing steadily, while Alex is living paycheck to paycheck, trapped by a lifestyle that looks wealthy but is financially fragile. Alex has a high income, but Ben is building real wealth. This is the trap of keeping up with the Joneses. We see our friends, our colleagues, our neighbors upgrading their lives, and we feel this immense pressure to do the same. Social media makes it 1,000 times worse. Everyone's posting their highlight reel, the exotic vacations, the designer bags, the perfect homes. It creates a powerful illusion that everyone else is living this incredible life, and if you're not, you're falling behind. But what you don't see are the credit card statements, the car loans, and the financial stress behind the glossy photos. Chasing this illusion is a game you can't win. It's a path to debt and anxiety, not happiness and freedom. The only person you should be competing with is the person you were yesterday. So how do we break free from this illusion and start building genuine wealth? The first step is a mindset shift. You need to stop associating spending with success. True financial success isn't about what you spend. It's about what you keep and what you grow. It's about valuing freedom over fancy things. This means getting crystal clear on your financial goals. Do you want to retire early? Travel the world? Start your own business? Your goals are your why. They are the motivation that will help you say no to a flashy purchase today in favor of a much bigger reward tomorrow. Once you have your mindset right, it's time for action. And the most powerful action you can take is to pay yourself first. This is a golden rule of personal finance for a reason. Before you pay your rent, your bills, or buy groceries, a portion of your income should go directly into your savings and investment accounts. Automate it. Set up automatic transfers for the day you get paid. This way, you're not relying on willpower. The money is put to work building your wealth before you even have a chance to spend it. Whether it's 5%, 10%, or 20% of your income, the key is to start now and be consistent. Now, where do you put that money? While saving is important for emergencies, investing is what truly builds wealth. You need your money to work for you and outpace inflation. For most people, a great place to start is with low-cost index funds or ETFs. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius to do this. These funds allow you to own a small piece of the entire market, diversifying your risk and benefiting from the long-term growth of the economy. The power of compound interest is your best friend here. Even small, consistent investments can grow into a massive nest egg over time, thanks to your earnings generating their own earnings. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger. Another crucial strategy is to create a budget, or what I prefer to call a spending plan. The word budget can feel restrictive, like a financial diet. But a spending plan is empowering. It's you telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Track your expenses for a month to see where your money is actually going. You might be shocked. Then, create a plan based on your values and goals. The 50-30-20th rule is a simple framework. 50% for needs like housing and food, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Adjust it to fit your life, but the principle remains. Be intentional with your money. As you build wealth, it's also smart to focus on increasing your income streams. Your primary job is one stream, but are there others you can create? This could be a side hustle based on a skill you have, like freelance writing, graphic design, or tutoring. It could be investing in dividend-paying stocks that provide a regular cash flow, or maybe it's building a small online business. Multiple income streams create a safety net. If one stream dries up, you have others to rely on, which dramatically reduces financial stress and accelerates your journey to financial independence. Let's put it all together. Building true wealth isn't about deprivation. It's about intentionality. It's about aligning your spending with what truly brings you joy and fulfillment, while aggressively saving and investing for your future. It's about choosing the freedom of having options over the fleeting thrill of a new purchase. The illusion of wealth is powerful, but you have the power to see through it. Stop chasing the lifestyle of the rich and start building the foundation of the wealthy. Focus on your net worth, not just your paycheck. Automate your savings, invest consistently, and live below your means. It might not look as glamorous on Instagram, but the peace of mind and the freedom it provides are worth far more than any luxury car or designer watch. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, but with the right mindset and a solid plan, you can break free from the illusion of wealth and build a life of genuine financial security and independence. You have the power to define what wealth means to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building real wealth and living a better life. Let me know in the comments what your biggest takeaway was. See you in the next one.